So hello YouTube, as you know, I have installed my head unit and all the system, amplifier, wiring, everything I did myself, fuse box, new battery, everything I did myself. So only part remaining and every only part who gave me lots of trouble was this reverse camera. So I was unable to, I know everything technically, what the wiring should be, how the wiring should go, but I was unable to find the route to pass the wiring from head unit till the camera. So this camera rig has two wires. One is RCA cable which comes directly from the head unit, and one is the power supply which we are supposed to take from the reverse light. But this tail light doesn't have the reverse light. Um Reverse light is in this boot door. Okay, this is the reverse light. So I had to open this, take the reverse power supply. I snatched it from, you can see this cable over here. This is for additional ground. I have given one ground over here. Inside this I saw the bolt where ground wires were togetherly connected. I gave that ground, but that is not enough for this camera. It seems it's not clear as I expect. So I have given the additional ground from the tail light. Ground you can give from anywhere, doesn't matter, but power supply you are supposed to give from the reverse only, so that whenever you put your car in reverse, it will get triggered into your head unit and you will see the reverse view. Now we will test how it's working. So coming to the point of how you are supposed to route the cable. So if you take the cable directly from here to the boat, I did it before, there is no way you can go to the bumper side when you are inside your car. Okay, there is no way. Only way possible is from this. So you will pass on the cable from the roof. Okay, then it will go down here, and then inside it will come to this chamber. Then you are supposed to take it out from the tail light hole. That's the only way you can take out the wire for reverse if your reverse camera is installed into the bumper. If your reverse camera is a OEM like I have here, let me show you. You can see this camera, it's OEM one, but as I changed the head unit, I'm not using the OEM camera. I'm using the one which is installed into bumper. That too I did myself. Okay, so that camera is easy to use. It's RCA plug and play. For OEM camera I had to purchase the converter, and honestly I did not like the quality of OEM camera. That's why I purchased dedicated camera. This is a AHD camera, so it has the HD resolution. Now coming to the point, this is the only way where you can snatch the cable. So this is the RCA cable, this is the power cable which came from this source of reverse light, then it came over here, and then from this metal part it came over here, and then it went to uh, the reverse camera via bumper. Okay, not from inside, not from the compartment of car, it went to the bumper. Now this is the additional ground. So don't get confused with two wires. I had the two wires, that's why I used two wires to have the better ground. I'm not sure if this is gonna help or not, but I have connected it as I had it. So this was all regarding the installation of reverse camera in any car. All cars who have the reverse camera in bumper need to follow this procedure. Okay, so fortunately I have not removed my rear bumper, and I have invested lots of time to save removal of parts. I don't like it. Now I will connect this tail light, and uh, then I will give you the test how the reverse camera works. Okay, so I attach the tail light firm perfectly. Okay, and I close the beading. All the beading should be good now. This is very important. I have not removed the left part. Generally people remove the left part, but I don't know why. I found right one handy. So this is how I remove. I don't know if there is some lock or something, but there is some gap in bumper. I'm not sure if it is required or I removed some clip, but I am trying to press it. It's not getting locked anywhere. See, nothing, but it's okay. It's giving some flexibility. I'm okay with it. I can easily close the door. Let me show you. This part should go inside, I believe. Okay, so this part should go inside, and now it looks perfect. This beading should come above it. Okay, if you do everything yourself now, you will do each and every minute part very carefully, because it's your car. You won't skip any of the step, like the shopkeepers skip many things to save their time. Now only part remaining in my setup is the subwoofer. Everything is ready, everything is installed. I'll be doing few more upgrades, but I don't know if they are worth sharing or not. Oh, it's not locking. It locked. Maybe. Yeah, now it's fine. For the first time it took some time. I hope everything will work now. Now let's test it. Let me start the car and test the reverse camera. You will need something like this. It's not easy to route the wires. Okay, this is a tangible metal wire which is used to route the cables around your car or your home. You can see it has metal part inside. So you will attach your wire to this end and you will pull it out. So this thing, small thing, helped me a lot. Imagine I have saved 7 to 10,000 of installation charges by doing everything myself, and now I'm super confident that I can install music system in any of the car. It's very tedious task, guys. Trust me. Let me start the car now. So this is the new head unit. Now let me put on the reverse gear. This car has automatic headlamps, automatic ORVM, automatic wipers. So they are started now. I will press the brake hard and I will take the reverse. Perfect. It's little better now. Still you can see some waves going on. I don't know it's taking some kind of signal or not, but I am okay with it. Actually I'm Mr. Perfectionist and want everything to be perfect, but it's okay. This angle of camera does not give the view which OEM camera gives you. OEM camera gives you very nice view. So this is the OEM camera. This is the new reverse camera. Okay, all lights are working. I will turn off the car and I will put it in reverse. Hope the okay. At daytime the view is still better. I don't know if that's. See, this is the reverse light. These are the indicators. Let me switch it on. These are the indicators. This is reverse light. This is the main brake light. This will glow brighter when I press the brake. I don't have anyone to help me to make it bright, but I will test them with my judgment. Now the light is dim. Let me turn off the reverse and car is in P mode, parking. It's an automatic car. Now light is dim. Now it's bright, dim, bright, dim, bright. Even over there, you can see the difference. So both of the lights, everything is working perfectly fine. Kudos to me. So this was all regarding the installation. You can install it yourself. I will tell you what basically you will need. You will need some multimeter to test the wire signal. You will need lots of knowledge. Okay, that is the most important thing. You will need plastic dashboard unmount tools to unmount this. Okay, you will need lots of allen keys to remove this central, what I should say, armrest. Okay, yeah. In my case I had to remove it because I had taken ground from this existing bolt for the amplifier, and I had taken power cable. My power cable is very heavy. Let me show you it right away, and let me show you the amplifier as well. So this is my amp. It's Aura 1100 watt RMS monoblock. It's very powerful, guys. So I had lots of struggle taking the amplifier wire to the location because it's very heavy. You can see the quality of wire. You can see the fit and finish, how I installed the circuit breaker. It's actually a fuse, and then it went inside from that chamber. So overall it took me almost a week to install everything myself perfectly. So it will take lots of time, but you will learn things. If you like, if you are passionate to do so, then only fall in this mess. Otherwise you will have to spend a day at car decor, and there are expert laborers who have lots of experience to do these things, and they have helping hands. Like only one person won't work on your car, 2-3 person will work simultaneously. That's why your task will be done in few hours only. The same task I am talking about, but they won't do with the precision and perfection which you will do yourself. I won't let single screw here and there. I will mount everything perfectly. I will do my task perfectly. The ferrules, the heat shrink sleeves, you saw the fuse how I installed. Everything should be perfect as per my nature. Okay, that's the OCD I have. And I also installed the DVR. Let me show you the dash cam. This also I did myself. Only thing I don't like is it has the dedicated app for it. I ordered the memory card for it, and once memory card will be here, it will start recording as soon as I switch on the car. This is very premium head unit, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB memory, certified Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also I don't know, now I'll use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay much because my maps, my Spotify app, everything is inbuilt now. Here is the Spotify. Everything is inbuilt. It has professional DSP. As you know, I'm bass head, and this thing is very important for me. It has 32 band equalizer, as you can see. The soundstage I kept on off because I don't like the delay. There is no option to turn off the subwoofer, I believe. Okay, so here I tried to turn it off, but there is no option to turn it off. But it has separate HPA for rear speaker, front speaker, and dedicated LPF for the sub and the phase as well. I'm seeing if I can give it the demo real quick. Subwoofer is not yet installed. You'll get this demo on just speakers. Component speakers. It has dedicated tweeters because this is a top end model. The best thing about this head unit is it has AKG 7406, which is same DSP used in Pioneer head unit, and that's why the sound quality is good even at max volume, no distortion at all. And right now you saw in DSP I not killed the bass, okay, because I don't have the subwoofer installed it. The bass is still there. See the filter, it's on off. HPF LPF is on off, and subwoofer you can ignore it, there is no subwoofer at back. Okay, so whatever you heard was the flat frequency response, the true frequency and true output of this head unit. It's a really good head unit. It's a DHC Inavi series, and this particular model in it is Zen. It's 464. There is Spectra model above this, you can go for that as well. This costed me 27k. The Spectra should cost you around 35k. And in same budget you will get the Pioneer head unit as well, which is not a true Android, but it's a Linux based system. It will perform better than this, but it won't support the wireless it won't support the 360-degree camera. It won't support YouTube to full potential. You won't get the crystal clear. This one has very very high end display. Let me show you. It has OLED display. See, Mira Vision. This is the OLED display, and that's why it will perform very well. So overall this head unit was best buy, better than Blopung, because Blopung does not mention which chipset they are using. If you will watch my previous video of unboxing this head unit, you will see all the parameters. They will mention what chipset is being used inside and what type of head unit it is. So thanks for watching. Sorry for lengthy video. This was quick video to know how to install things yourself in your car.